In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perspective Tool in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to correct skewed buildings, straighten interiors, or match artwork onto a wall with clean, believable perspective. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo so you can see the canvas. Before making any adjustments, make sure you're in Pixel View at the top of the interface. This switches you into the pixel editing environment, which is where perspective corrections are designed to work. If you notice vector tools or personas active, simply switch to the pixel view so your edits affect the actual image pixels. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the perspective tool. When it's active, you'll see a bounding box with corner handles and a context toolbar along the top. The basic idea is simple. Drag the corner handles so the on-screen box lines up with edges in your photo that should be straight or parallel. For example, align the left and right edges with the sides of a building, or match the top and bottom to a horizon or countertop. Zoom in so the corners sit precisely on known straight lines. Small adjustments here make a big difference in the final result. In the context toolbar, choose your planes and mode. Single plane is great for a straightforward keystone fix, like a facade leaning back. Dual plane helps when you're correcting two directions at once, such as the corner of a room. If the image seems to move opposite to your intention, toggle the mode. This changes how your drags are interpreted and often makes alignment feel more natural. Enable Show Grid to visualize how lines converge and to check verticals and horizontals as you work. If you see empty wedges at the edges after correcting, turn on Auto Clip to automatically trim transparent areas for a clean frame. Take your time, nudge the corners until lines that should be straight truly are, and use the grid as your guide. Once everything looks aligned, you're ready to continue editing or export your corrected image.